What happens if I cannot pay probation fees? Imagine you're trying to get your life back on track after a legal issue, but suddenly you're hit with a bill you can't afford. That can feel overwhelming, but understanding what happens next can make all the difference. When you're on probation, the court might requiring you to pay fees to cover supervision costs. These are called probation fees, and they help fund the probation system itself. If you find yourself unable to pay these fees, it's important to know that the consequences aren't automatic jail time, but ignoring the issue can cause serious problems. First, not paying probation fees is considered a technical violation of your probation. This means you didn't commit a new crime but failed to follow a condition of your probation. Courts usually have some discretion in how they handle this. If you explain your financial hardship clearly and provide proof like pay stubs, unemployment benefits, or bills showing your expenses, the court might be more lenient. They could modify your payment plan, reduce the amount owed, or even temporarily waive the fees altogether. However, if you ignore the fees or don't communicate with your probation officer, the court might schedule a probation violation hearing. During this hearing, the judge will look at your financial situation and your efforts to pay. If they find you are intentionally avoiding payment or unable to pay without a genuine hardship, they might take further action. This could include increasing your fees, ordering community service to cover the amount owed, or extending your probation period. In more serious cases, or if you repeatedly fail to pay, the court could revoke your probation. This means your probation could be canceled, and you might face jail or prison time instead. But this is usually a last resort, especially if there are no other violations or criminal activity involved. Having a criminal defense attorney by your side can help a lot. They can negotiate with the court to reduce or waive fees, present evidence of your hardship, or argue for alternatives like community service instead of paying. They can also challenge any claims that you are intentionally noncompliant or trying to avoid your obligations. Remember, not being able to pay probation fees isn't a reason for automatic punishment. It's a situation that requires open communication and legal guidance. Acting quickly and honestly with your probation officer and the court can help you avoid more serious penalties. If you stay proactive, courts are often willing to work with you to find a solution that fits your financial situation.